I just got this today. It's a BBK CATTED X pipe. I can't wait to put it on. I'm gonna go to the shop right now. Alright, so I took it out of the box just so I can fit it in my trunk. And it came with just the installation product, which I probably won't need since my guy's gonna do it for me. Stickers, which is pretty cool. I can put it on my laptop. And these are the cats right here. The little mid pipe, clamps. Should be pretty easy. Let's see how much he'll charge me. Alright, so I just found out that it's gonna take 2 hours. It's a total $120, which is absolutely perfect. $120 is pretty cheap considering that they're gonna weld it on. So right now my sister's gonna pick me up, take me home because I don't feel like waiting here for 2 hours, and then I'll return. I'll see how dope it sounds.
What? Yeah, it's a complete because it couldn't flip the clamps on it. That wouldn't work at all. These are the other ends. Yeah, they're too small.
Oh yeah? Alright, looks like he welded them on. Cats right now. Alright, so these are my old cats right here. Old mid pipes, old cats. Let's show you how it sounds revved.